forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Richards Bay 1, Kaizer Chiefs 0. I'm joined by Warra.
Steve, be hopela o robe themo pele be themo mthaba wonke jikelele mthaba wonke jikelele le fase para from Cape to Cairo, Madagascar to Morocco a gona warra o mongwe.
Yes,
ke ema ke le ba modimo ka Jesu Kriste ke mo leboga ka moemedi. Thibo go na le lengwalo le lengwe ka mo Bibeleng le re go le hlogonolo ballang
sure,
gobane ba tla tshidiso.
sure.
Gobana Chiefs, there are 3 teams in South African football.
Yeah.
Chiefs ke Mamelodi Sundowns ke Orlando Pirates.
Sure.
Overseas ge ba bolela ka South African football ba lebella di team tse di 3.
Yeah.
Pirates is doing well.
Yeah.
Sundowns is doing well.
Yes.
Pirates flop ya bona gore they came out of continental football.
Yeah.
Sundowns is still in continental football.
Yeah, that's right.
But now, if an investor from outside is looking at Kaizer Chiefs,
Yeah.
okay, what's again? Team J3, let's try and invest in South African football. Mara, let us see how these 3 teams are playing.
Yeah.
Wabo.
Yeah.
Balebella Sundowns, Balebella le Pirates.
Sure.
Batlo bona mara nkare gona le something.
Yeah.
Mara when they gonna come to Chiefs, batlo bona ings team.
Next.
Because remember, it's the face of South African football.
Yes.
You're not only standing on behalf of Chiefs alone.
Sure.
We like it or not. Li Amazulu, these things, they are dependent on us if an investor is going to invest in the league.
Keva.
Because Libon about to create or something like
Yes.
that.
Yes. Obvious.
Now that's number 2. There was a certain point, I believe, this is my opinion, that Chiefs, go tseba identity ya South African football, go lebella Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
At a certain point, you looked at your players like Dr. Khumalo.
Yeah.
You looked at your players like Ntofontofo. Wabo.
Yeah.
Those people had the identity of South African football.
Sure.
But now, what went wrong and where did it go wrong?
Kita Silva.
So, to be honest with you, now I think the management and management, but it's becoming serious. They failed their father.
Yeah.
They need to be honest. They failed their father. Because let's just put Libon, I think they need to be honest with themselves.
Sure.
They failed their father.
Yeah.
For their father to build such a thing, they failed their father. Can they literally stand Pelabo Papa Papa Joale Regil? What are they? What I mean, come on. Your father built such a thing when now go idira so wabo Aisha idea.
Yeah.
Gasinina go baba ngwe basatlo bolela ka mole.
Yeah.
Mara ke a shia ban negere them the coachara number 1 they must go.
Oh yeah.
The coachara must go.
Yeah.
A few players le bona da go Chiefs, I believe it's an opinion, remember. Ge ile gore bona le ba ba ganang a batle mo ba bolele. Ke nna as an opinion gona le batho ba ileng gore they not supposed to be that side.
Yes,
At Chiefs, I'm not going to mention names out of respect.
Please mention.
Steve rapa eza ka moka Steve a kenya go shupa batho ka menwana. Wabo.
Yeah.
Players, the management, Tibo. Ke bolela ka the Motaungs.
Yeah.
Gape ke a ibušeletša.
Yeah.
Ke bolela ka the Motaungs.
Yeah.
Something needs to be fixed that side. And I'm saying this to them. Go to your father, le mo lebelleng mahlong, le re se le se dirang. Do you actually think your father is proud of you? Now that's the question e ke ishang le bona. Ge le gore they feel ka bo bona gore what's ke berekile na o kapa ntwe ke dirang ke ranela business ya papa ka. Well, I hope your father is proud, but let's ka dira ka mogole. It's not nice.
Yeah.
Because the way you portray yourself, ke lebitso la papa, o tshwere lebitso la papa go jwale o reng Steve. Because as you as a representative, you represent la gago Steve.
Yeah.
Jwale go Steve, e re ke ba fete ke tla le bona, but thank you for your time.
Thank you, Jaga. Nanek ba ko go le ga ji.